All right, last question we're going to look at is number 10. Hannah bought a dining room table that is the shape of a rectangle. The length can be represented by 2x minus 10 over x squared minus 25 feet, and the width can be represented by x over 2x plus 10 feet. Find the perimeter of the table in terms of x. So here we've got this rectangle. Length is 2x minus 10 over x squared minus 25. And the width is x over 2x plus 10. So in order to find the perimeter, we've got to add up all four sides. So we can't just add up this side and this side. We've also got to do the top and the left-hand side. So we essentially have another one of each of these values. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply each of these by 2. And it's technically a 2 over 1 if we wanted to make it a fraction. Multiplying it by 2 because I have 2 lengths and 2 widths. So this is going to be 4x minus 20 over x squared minus 25. That's going to be the top and the bottom. This one's going to be 2x over 2x plus 10. So we need to add those two things together to account for both of our lengths, both of our widths. So I'm going to go ahead and factor my denominators, x plus 5, x minus 5, and this has 4x minus 20. Okay, this other fraction can factor as 2 times x plus 5 in the denominator. We have the 2x in the top. I'm going to go ahead and say 2x over 2 times x plus 5 plus 4x minus 20 over x plus 5, x minus 5. So we see right away that they both have a factor of x plus 5 already. Okay, you may notice, or we need to notice, that the first fraction has a factor of 2 in the denominator. So we could take that 2 and multiply the second fraction by a 2, top and bottom. However, I also noticed that there's a 2 in the numerator of this, which can cancel out since it's being multiplied in the numerator. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out so that we don't have to multiply the other one by a 2. So what that's going to leave us with is an x minus 5 in the second fraction that we need to account for in the first fraction. So now both fractions in the denominator have x plus 5, x minus 5. So my numerator on the left is going to be x squared minus 5x. And the numerator for my second fraction doesn't change because we did not have to multiply that fraction by anything. So we have plus 4x minus 20. So when I combine together my like terms in the center, I get x squared minus x minus 20 over x plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, a lot of us got to this part in our test. However, we can actually simplify this if we factor the numerator. So the numerator factors to x minus 5, x plus 4. Denominator, I have x plus 5, x minus 5. So in taking a look at that, both the numerator and the denominator have a factor of x minus 5. So our simplified version of the answer is x plus 4 over x plus 5. Okay, that represents the perimeter of that table.